Hey everybody, Trent from All Things Automotive here. Today we're looking at a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in the LT trim in a beautiful dark red or maroon. Vehicle does feature a 5.3 liter V8, does have a clean Carfax of 4 previous owners and just over 88,000 miles. As far as the lift is concerned, it's a 6-inch lift on 35-inch tires, beautiful chrome wheel here. So I'm going to walk around the truck, show you some of the features here. Does have aftermarket LEDs up front, high intensity halogen headlights, and you do have your nice split bumper or grille, nice chrome grille insert here with your blacked out bow tie in the front. You do have ABS guards here in the front as well. Tow hooks integrated in the lower bumper. Again, like new tires all the way around. These specific tires are Mickey Thompson's 35-inch tire on a 20-inch rim there. Pretty clean vehicle for the year and miles. Tow mirrors, your setup. Okay, the door card here. So black, you're gonna have white stitching, nice accents, and that's gonna continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Chevrolet does a great job with these accents. Otherwise, pretty much black on black. You do have premium cloth seating here with a very durable insert, and it does have vinyl flooring. Well, actually, this is a whole weather mat setup here. So you do have carpet, and then you do have the weather mat all in one up front, so super easy cleanup. You will notice you have the optional bench seat here in the middle. That's going to fold up if you don't need that. You're going to have your armrest and storage and cup holders and all that. Let's take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. Okay, tires are 15-30 seconds all the way around. Front and rear pads are good to go, along with a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh detail just for you. So let's take a look. This is a crew cab, so you are going to have plenty of space back here for rear occupants. You do have a nice 12-volt back here. Again, WeatherTech all the way around, very nice. And in the middle here, you're going to have 2 cup holders or an armrest. Okay, interior is really clean, no rips or stains or tears or anything like that. Going around to the bed. Let's take a look. You have your 4-pin and 7-pin wiring right here. There's your hitch receiver and spare tire. Okay. You do not have a bed liner, but you can get a quote at CarQuest for us to order you one. Nice step bars there. You'll definitely need those. You can put your foot up there. Chevrolet does a great job of integrating these into the bumpers here. Okay, as far as the aftermarket exhaust goes, I believe it is a single to a single here. It's an aftermarket Flowmaster 10 series, and we will get into that here in just a bit. You also notice you do have aftermarket taillights here, all LED, smoked on the back here, so nice added feature here as well. ABS rain guards all the way around. Let's hop inside and take a look. Let's take a look at the driver door first. You got all your power options here. Adjustable mirror, power locks, power windows, etc. You do have manual seat adjustment in this LT. So let's hop up and take a look. Okay, we are now in the driver's seat here. Before I start it up, I want to go over some features here real quick. You do have your lamp selectors to the left here, as well as your four-wheel drive selector, brightness and dimming controls. As far as the steering wheel is concerned, you have cruise control and audio and your control pad for your center cluster right here. So let's go ahead and start it up. You will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, lock and unlock, and a panic feature if you need it. Again, hopefully you can hear the aftermarket exhaust here. Again, Flowmaster 10 series, single exhaust. Nice low tones, super aggressive, not overly loud, but it'll get the job done. Like I said, just over 88,000 miles here. You do have radio, FM, AM, and then Sirius XM radio there. Okay, let's hit the home button. Navigation, phone, and settings, all at the touch of your fingertips. Looks like your climate control right here, single control, pretty straightforward. Traction control off, and then your cargo lamp. You do have an aftermarket trailer brake control right here, so that's a nice added touch. Let's look up top here, guys. Lighted vanity, super bright LEDs, storage for your sunglasses right here, nice bright LED map lights, and again on the passenger side, LED lighted vanity. Headliner is free of any rips or stains or tears or anything like that. You do have your OnStar on the rear view mirror there. So let's take a look at the Carfax here. It does have 4 previous owners, but it is a clean Carfax, and it does feature the 5.3, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at the 5.3 liter V8. Okay, hood release is going to be located bottom center of the steering wheel. There's your Pro Conf lift right there. Nice clean engine bay, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Aftermarket cold air intake, as you can see. It's a nice healthy sounding V8. Go around to the back too, so you guys can hear the idle of the single out muffler right here. Flowmaster tips. Nice low tones again, super aggressive, not too much, but then you can see the aftermarket LED look really crisp and clear even in the day right there. Beautiful truck here, guys. I'm going to shut the truck off and do our last portion of the video. We're going to walk around and show you any dents, dings, or imperfections in the truck. But keep in mind, this is a pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2014. Pretty good shape, but there are going to be some blemishes. Let's start in the front here. Stone chips in the front. Never avoid that. Small blemish here, as you can see. It's not perfect. We've tried to make it as clean as possible, but no discoloration or chipping on the chrome or the grill insert, so that's nice. Again, blacked out badges all the way around. No curb rash on the wheel here. You will have some scaling and pitting here, and a little bit of chipping here on the chrome. And that, the fender wells look good. Mirror cap looks good. Some discoloration here on the door handle. Okay, normal wear and tear for this year. There's your rockers. Okay. And some blemishes here on the bedside as well, some touch-ups. Looks like there was some fender flares right here, as you can see the line. Back bumper looks good. And even the vinyl up here, the molding. Don't think they used the bed too much. It's pretty clean for not having a bed liner. Again, same over here with the chrome wheel. They're not perfect. They do have some blemishes, so you gotta come check it out for yourself. Okay, there's your aftermarket fuel lid right there. We'll have a key for that. And other than that, a pretty clean vehicle here, guys. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7 and get yourself pre-approved. Or just come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado. Clean Carfax, 4 previous owners, was just over 88,000 miles. Again, you get your 6-inch lift, 35-inch Mickey Thompson's, aftermarket Flowmaster 10 series exhaust. Sounds good, looks great. Give us a call.